Check this out. I bet you've never seen a Fiat 500 boat. In here you've got the steering wheel, just like the Fiat 500. These are all your buttons here. These two work the front lights over here. And this button here does your rear lights back here. And it's a car, so of course you've got to have a horn, which is this button here. Nice and crisp. Now this button here does your windscreen wipers up here. There's only 500 of these being made, and this is number 54. Here you've got Bluetooth sound throughout. You've got touchscreen navigation. Over here you've got your marine GPS. Now it's a car, so up here you've got a rear view mirror and side view mirrors. Over here you've got a gauge just like in the car. Now back here, this thing seats 4. You've got 2 forward facing at the front, and these sun lounges can either be forward facing or rear facing. Then this is your canopy. So you're out in the boat, this is shade, this comes over, 2-tone to match the boat. Fold this back, which brings us back to the rear. This here is your 40 horsepower Mercury marine outboard. Gives you about 24 miles an hour. So let's take it for a test. This is your key, just like in a car. Start it up. Let's go for a drive.